Ever feel like you're just walking through a fog, like your brain isn't quite online? Well, you are definitely not alone. In this explainer, we're going to break down a super simple 10-second trick to jolt your brain right back into focus. It's called the Dopamine Anchor. You know those days, right? Where you just feel off. You sit down, ready to work, but your brain is just a mess. It feels like a browser with 100 tabs open all at once. You can't focus, you have zero motivation, and you start to think, is my brain broken? Well, here's the good news. It's not you. This isn't some kind of personal failure. It's actually biological. And see, that little shift completely reframes the whole problem. It's not about a lack of willpower at all. It's just biochemistry. What's happened is your brain's reward system has built up a crazy high tolerance, thanks to all that constant overstimulation we're all dealing with. But, and this is the best part, there's a manual override. Okay, so to really get the fix, we've got to understand the why behind it all. Let's dive in and break down the science just a little bit. So the big idea we're talking about here is something called dopamine tolerance. And honestly, the best way to think about it is like coffee. Remember that first cup of coffee you ever had? You probably got a huge jolt. But fast forward a bit, and now maybe you need 2 or even 3 cups just to feel the same thing. Well, your brain does the exact same thing with all the constant pings, notifications, and that endless scrolling. It just gets numb. It becomes less sensitive. Here's another way to picture it. Think of your brain as a battery, right? When that battery is fully charged, you have high sensitivity. Even small wins, like checking one little item off your to-do list, feel super rewarding. But when that battery is drained, you're in a state of high tolerance. Now you need a massive dopamine hit, like something really exciting, just to feel anything at all. And that feeling, that's brain fog. All right, so the big question is, how do we recharge that battery? Let's start with a couple of quick system resets. Think of these as the warm-up. First up, something called a cold shock. This is as simple as it sounds. A splash of cold water on your face, or if you're brave, a quick cold shower. It just gives your whole system a physiological jolt. Second, a stillness reset. And this just means a few moments of deliberate, complete quiet. No phone, no music, nothing. Just you and your thoughts. Now, these are awesome foundational tools, don't get me wrong, but think of them as the opening act, because the real breakthrough is coming next. And this right here, this is the crucial point. Those other resets, they're kind of passive. The dopamine anchor is totally different. It's an active technique. It's you literally grabbing the steering wheel of your own focus. This is the game changer, the real breakthrough we've been building up to. Okay, let's do it. Time for the main event, the dopamine anchor. This is the tool that puts you back in the driver's seat. Just 10 seconds. That's it. Seriously, we're not talking about an hour of meditation. We're not talking about some week-long digital detox. This is a simple 10-second intervention that you can do absolutely anytime, anywhere to bring your brain right back online. So what does this actually look like in practice? Let's get into the nitty-gritty. Here is the simple, actionable how-to that you can literally use the second this is over. Okay, step 1, pick one single small object right there in front of you. It can be anything, a pen, your coffee mug, even your own thumbnail. Got it? Okay, step 2, I want you to focus all of your attention on that one object, like nothing else in the world exists for a moment. And now for step 3, this is the magic part. For just 10 seconds, your job is to notice 3 to 5 tiny details about it that you've never ever seen before. You know, the way the light reflects off it, a tiny scratch you never noticed, the exact texture. What you're doing here is manually engaging your prefrontal cortex. That's your brain's focus center. You are literally telling it, hey, this is what we're paying attention to now. And just like that, that's the transformation. You go from that scattered, foggy, all over the place thinking to sharp, singular focus. In just 10 seconds, you've grabbed the reins of your own attention and anchored it to a single point that you chose. So really, this is your new superpower. Think about it. You can reclaim your attention whenever you want. You can put yourself back in active control. You're directly engaging your prefrontal cortex and restoring your dopamine baseline, all completely on command. And all of this really leaves us with just one final big question. Because, look, this technique isn't just about feeling better, it's about doing better. So now that you know how to take active control of your focus, what are you going to go achieve?